this is Kate, host of the Your Courageous Life podcast. And this week I'm talking about how you can stop those old relationship dynamics, like the ones that have been around for a really long time and seem to keep sticking around no matter what you do. And one thing that I clarify on this week's podcast, by the way, is how we talk about attachment styles, which I have no problem with attachment styles as a theory or a way to articulate one's experience. But I do think that we should keep in mind that attachment styles are just a theory and they haven't been clinically validated. Whatever your attachment style might be, it's not genetic. You weren't born that way. You might be conditioned into it, which means you have a preference. And of course, when people have their preferences met, things tend to flow easier. But life doesn't always work out according to our preferences. And one thing I caution you about in relationships is not getting overly attached to the label.